Everyone, it's Bonnie. I am back on this extremely rainy Wednesday. Oh my gosh. I got Ipsy Ultimate today. Oh my gosh. Ipsy, Ipsy, Ipsy. I don't typically complain too much about boxes because I know it's kind of like a hit or miss a lot of times. But I have got to say, I am really disappointed in this Ipsy box. I've been eating Ipsy for years. I would get the $10 bag, which I basically like the $10 bag, but then I kind of wanted the bigger product, so I went to Ipsy Plus, and that was pretty good. I actually didn't mind the Ipsy Plus, so I figured I'd upgrade to the Ipsy Ultimate. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if it's because it's their first box. I'm actually trying to cancel this. They will not let me cancel. Like, I hit cancel on the screen and it just loops and takes me to another screen. I haven't figured out customer service. I did an add-on for this box and they didn't even include the add-on. So you do get a cute little book here. So I think this is supposed to be like a Betty Boop themed box. We did get a bag, which I always like the bag. The bag is cute. So I'm just going to go through the stuff that I got. So probably the most valuable thing, and I must have picked this item. I can't even remember. It was so long ago. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean, which this is a nice product. I have gotten this before. It's basically this makeup remover. This is a good product. So this is the best thing in the bag. So typically, I would think when you get a $50 box, we would at least get, like, maybe a decent palette or something. I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know if I'm just crabby today because I'm sick, but this box is just terrible. So, let me go through what I got. I got a Cella Creme de la Creme. I'm not even sure what this is. It's a luxurious body cream. For the most part, I feel like we got, like, no-name brands, meaning it's not anything that I've necessarily heard about, and I'm sure someone is going to comment below and say, no, that, like, these are brands that people have heard of, but, like, I don't see any, like, brands that I recognize, and I've been eating beauty boxes for a really long time in this box. So I got that. I got a lemon verbena clay mask from IBOM. Never heard of this. These are safety sealed, so that's a plus. Can't really smell this. What is this? It's a clay mask. I do like clay masks. I feel like for $50 though, these should have been bigger. I mean, this doesn't even feel like it's full. I mean, look at this. Like, okay, if I push the air out, it doesn't even feel like it's full. So, even like BoxyCharm, man, the BoxyCharm Luxe, you guys, that's the one box I'm keeping. You get the Luxe every 3 months. That is a good box. Next up, we got this very tiny eyeshadow glamour from Colored Rain, which I have never heard of Colored Rain before. It says they're vegan, cruelty-free. This is made in China. I mean, the majority of this stuff, it feels like it's pretty low-end makeup. And like I said, I'm usually not this crabby about a box, but I'm like, oh my god, did I really pay $50 for this thing? Look at this. It's so tiny. I mean, it's pretty, but it's not anything like super special. And I think if, like, they'd given us at least, like, 3 good products in this box, I would have been a little more okay. And they kind of tout the box. Like, we did get a lot of stuff. We got a Kalito Cosmetics waterproof liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to open that. I am so tired of eyeliners. And that's not, like, the box's fault. We'll say that's my fault. I'm tired of eyeliners. We got a Unicorn Glow Long Wear Primer. I don't know. It's called from Lock Color. Never heard of Lock Color before. This is Korean Beauty, so this could be a brand that is good that I'm just not like recognizing. Um, we got a Semoy Reflect lip gloss, little lip gloss there. The thing that oh my gosh, so we got this cheek to cheek blush palette, and I actually saw that Ipsy was doing. They did this with the Tetris. I'm sorry, palette. So basically, this is a co-branded palette, meaning that it says Betty Boop, Ipsy. We don't really know who makes this. It's just co-branded with Betty Boop and Ipsy. This is distributed by Personalized Beauty Discovery, San Mateo, California, made in China. So basically, it's just kind of like a generic blush palette that's co-branded Ipsy Betty Boop. I don't know. I'm just not impressed, you guys. I don't know. Tell me if I'm crazy here. Or I'm just being exceedingly crabby. So I wasn't super crazy about that. It wasn't even cute. I mean, I don't know why. It just wasn't even, didn't do anything for me. We got the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions. I mean, that's pretty, but that's a really tiny palette. I would expect maybe like a Tarte, a Too Faced, something in this box that actually was a little bit nicer. We did get 2 masks in here. And we got a BioRace serum. Never heard of this brand before. I know it's Korean Beauty, so that could be my fault. And then we got this is actually, I think, the best product in the box. This is the Farrah brushes. I do love a good brush, and these are nice, I'll have to say. I'll give them an A on the brushes. I like the brushes. So there we go. We got these nice brushes. They're kind of purpley. They actually are really pretty. Okay. My add-on product, you guys, was the It Cosmetics. I was supposed to get the CC cream, and it's just not in there. I'm like, I cannot believe they forgot my add-on product. It's not in the Betty Boop box. No, I have no idea why they didn't include my add-on product. That kind of upset me, because if I go to the trouble of getting an add-on product, of adding it on, I really want it to be in the box. So I went to the Ipsy website, and I'm not going to click on it, because if I click, I'm going to lose my sound. It said, contact Ipsy support. So it said, missing a product, but then it just gave like this, if you're missing a product, we'll replace it, or whatever. I still have yet to figure out how to contact them. So I'm working on that, because I'm canceling Ipsy, you guys. I am done. I kind of shifted my channel anyway to do more. Obviously, you know me, I do all Bath & Body Works. I do Lush. I do all my candles. I'm going to do some really cute gifty stuff coming up for the holidays, gift ideas, have to do with Harry Potter. I think you're going to love all this stuff. I've been kind of moving away from beauty boxes. I do love them, though. There's something about it, like a mystery box, that just makes me really happy. I love unboxing stuff. I will keep BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe. Absolutely love those. I got Sephora back for a while. I think I have one more glossy box coming. So I'm not totally abandoning the beauty boxes. I'm just I'm definitely done with Ipsy for a while. Ipsy has just tried my patience. I thought about going back to the $10 bag, and I'm like, I don't even know if I want to do that. I'm just really not happy. I think especially for the way they promoted this ultimate bag, they really should have done a better job and really wowed us for that first but the first one. I think if they had just put in, like I said, a Tarte, a Too Faced, some sort of like Dr. Brandt, I mean, some sort of well-known product, and I think if they had done, I mean, I don't really consider like these, I mean, these are not full-size products. I don't know what they're talking about. I mean, this might be full-size, but they keep saying they're doing full-size products in this one, and I'm like, I don't really see anything that's full-size. This is not a full-size product. At least I don't think it is. So anyway, if you got Ipsy Ultimate, let me know what you think. I'm going to give this box, like, I kid you not, like a 3 out of 10. It's terrible. I was really, really disappointed. I wanted to, like, love this box, and unfortunately, I just didn't. So there you go. I will be back tomorrow with, oh my gosh, you guys, I got 3 new candles from Kohl's from Sonoma, came today in the mail. They are so good. They're all tricolor. I cannot wait to show you these candles, you guys. I'm so excited. I will have more Bath & Body Works. I'm going to be burning another candle tomorrow. I'll probably have another Halloween thing, too. I got some Halloween stuff. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to let the Ipsy bag go. Just let it go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.